Hi all, welcome to my channel Hadoop Mentor. My name is Veera Ravi. As part of this video, we are going to show how to access your virtual machine through Putty from Windows. So most of the guys will be facing the problem they are not able to access the virtual box through Putty from Windows, right? So the Putty is the tool to connect any of the Linux box from the Windows, right? So now I'm going to demonstrate here how to access a virtual box or any Linux box from Putty if you are using a virtual box, right? So let's go ahead and see the network properties here first. As soon as you set up your Ubuntu using Ubuntu or any Linux box using virtual box, so in the network there will be something called adapter 1, adapter 2, adapter 3, adapter 4. Multiple adapters will be there. By default the adapter 1 will be enabled, and that is NAT. That will be NAT. By default this adapter will be enabled. Okay, so this network adapter will be enabled, and the adapter 2 will be disabled, and adapter 2 will be disabled by default. If it is like this, what will happen? What is the problem? Let's go ahead and start my system. I'm just starting my system. Okay, my Ubuntu is getting started. Okay, so Ubuntu started. I'm logging in by entering my password. Okay, to access through Putty, first we need to understand what is a Putty. Putty is the tool from where you can connect to any network or any Linux box from Windows machine. If you have a authentication, you can also connect to cloud machines. So, but you should have a authentication, right? Here, I'm going to start my Putty. I'm just saying run, and I think it is running in the background. Yeah, it is running, and it is asked for which host you want to connect, and whether what type of it is it SSH or is it telnet, or what type of protocol you are using, or what type of connection you are using. So I'm going to use the SSH, right? Let me show that. First, before that, we need to get the IP address to connect any machine through Putty. First we need to have a IP address or host name, right? So let me show you that first. So let's open your terminal from your Linux box. Let's check if config. When I say if config, it will show only EPS, this some port, some IP net, and it will be our local host, which is your loop thing. So either if you use this or if you use this, we think that we can connect it. So let's try with this, and let's try with this whether we're able to connect or not. So okay, so 10.0.2.15. I'm going to connect here by using 10.0.2.15, and I'm using SSH. By default it's 22 port. So I'm going to open the port. Let's look at here whether it's connecting or not. So it is not able to connect. It is not able to connect. Why? Because it is a NAT connection. NAT adapter, you cannot able to connect that. So let's try with the other IP address, which is 1020 or 100, and that, no, 127.0.0, which is a normal your port number. So let's try to connect it. So this is also saying that network connection is refused. You cannot connect this. So what I need to do, I want to connect this machine through Putty. So what is the other options are available? So what do you do? Shut down your machine. Shut down your machine, or without shutting also you can try it. Go to your VM VirtualBox Manager window. Right click on this. Go for settings, and you have a network settings, or you can select this and click on the settings here as well. Go to network settings, and that adapter is disabled. Why it is disabled? Because your machine is already running, so you cannot change the network. So we may think that we can change it, but we cannot. So we go ahead and first shut down this. Just power off this. So once you power off the system, you go here select this, go to settings, go to network settings, and these are enabled, right? Now go to adapter 2, select enable, select this enable the network adapter, and you select host only. As soon as you select host only, here you need to select VirtualBox host only Ethernet adapter. It will be, the name will be appeared. Sometimes the name will not be appeared, just wait for a few seconds, it will appear, the name will be get loaded. So then you select the name and click OK. Now you go and start the services by double clicking, or you select and click on the start. So it will start your machine. So it will start your machine. Just wait. Wait. This machine is getting started. Let's wait it. Let's wait. It is loading my machine. Yep, it's loaded. So I need to enter my user's password here. I'm entering my password. I logged in. So it has started loading your desktop. It started running your machine. Okay. Now open your terminal. Open your terminal. Go here. If config. Type if config. You'll be seeing your new IP address here, and you'll be seeing a new IP address here. So most of the time what we will do, we will not enable the second adapter. We will not enable the second adapter. We will be changing in the first adapter itself. When you change the first adapter, you'll start facing a problem that your VirtualBox will not connect to internet. So your VirtualBox will not connect to internet. I'll suggest you that you go ahead and enable the both network adapter 1 and adapter 2. So adapter 1 is for your normal NAT, and adapter 2 for the host only adapter where you can connect to ethernet. Okay, so go back here and you see you got the new IP address. Before this was one IP address it was showing you, and this is IP address which is for your what I can say, the adapter 2. Okay, so use this IP address and try to connect to Putty. So here 192.168.56.102, and by SSH by default is 2, and you can save it, you can give any name. So Spark, it's already there but I'm just giving some name. Save it and open. So now it is directly asking what is your username. Login as. So login as, my username is, I have to enter my username pass Spark. So whatever your username is, username, you can see in the terminal the first part of the @ before @ whatever is there, that is your username. Press enter and it is asking for the password, so enter your password. Now you connected to your Ubuntu machine. You can start use whatever services you want to use, you can use. So most of the cases we need to source the bash RC in this putty. Sometimes it will last, sometimes it will not. So because all the whatever my bash RC, whatever the softwares I have installed, all will be available. I can directly go ahead and start. I can see Hadoop version. I can see Hadoop version. Okay. I can see shown the Hadoop version. I can see Flume version. So I can use my I can use my Ubuntu machine. I can access my Ubuntu machine from terminal this one Putty. Okay, now what are the operations I want to see? I can see everything here, Hadoop FS-ls, because I not yet started the services. I'm just showing an example here. Services not yet started, right? It is still in that connection refused because the service is not yet started. Okay, so we can use all the commands from here. Okay, so I hope this video help you to understand how to connect your VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox through Putty, which is running in the Linux. So your Putty will be in Windows and your Oracle VirtualBox has Linux. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. You'll get a lot more videos like this. Thank you.